Hey guys, and welcome back. So I got a lot of questions on how to do drill down maps, and I thought, why not take the greatest country in the world, the United States of America. I've taken KML files, so we are gonna take the KML files for, let's say, regions and then states and then cities, and combine them and make them into a drill down map, something like this. So now you have your region, click on a region, you go inside and you look at all the states that actually come inside that particular region, and then you select a state that you want, and then you select, and then the data set that I have, it shows the top 5 cities, and you can have like a drill down map. It's pretty cool, right? So first things first, how do you do this? So I have my different KML files here. I'm gonna have it linked below so that you can just download and use it yourself. So this is for US, and we have our regions. So the regions are over here, region KML files, and then you have your states, and then you have your cities, and I have a translation table as well. So essentially I have regions over here with the regions coordinate, then I have the states over here, the names of the states with the states coordinates, and then I have cities here, the city names with the states coordinates, and then I have a table that actually combines them, saying which region contains which states and which states contains which city in the same way. So this is how I have it. I have one KML file for cities, one KML file for states, one KML file for regions, and then I just have a fact table which says which region, state, and cities are connected. Good. Once we have that, let's load the data. Once the data is loaded in the front end, let's start from scratch, shall we? Good. I have the map. I'm going to go into my master items, dimensions. Here I'm going to create a new dimension, which is a drill down. And in this case, I'm going to say geography drill down. And what do I actually want over here? I want to start with the regions, right? The region's name. And then I want to go into my states. I want the states names. And then so this is my dimension where it's a drill down from region to states to cities. Create. I just want to change my map settings. Go here, make this dark. And now I go into layers. So the first one is my regions. I want that to be a area layer. So I'm going to add the area layer here. Next one, I want my states. Actually, you know what? We're just going to add area layer for all of them. So now we have 3 different area layers here, right? And for all 3, the dimension that we're using is the drill down that we just created. That's the geography drill down, right? So the first one is region, second is states, and the third is city. So now I'm just going to add it here. Don't worry about anything else. Let's go back here and let's just add geography as our dimension for all 3 layers. Done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the first layer, and this is my regions, right? So we're going to go into locations, and here I'm going to actually specify for this one, the location that I want Qlik maps to use is my coordinates called regions_area. This is what contains the coordinates for, or the shape file, right? Regions area. Next, go into colors, here the dimensions. The dimension I want it to be from the region's name. And then we go into options, and then we go into layer display. Over here, I want to show the layer, and I want to turn the visible drill down layers off, and I'm going to switch these 2 off. So these are the 3 layers in my drill down dimension that we just created. And in this particular layer, I want to turn these 2 off and only want to turn on the first one. So this is my first layer. So I only want Qlik to show this particular layer in this particular zoomed in level. One last thing, my labels to be shown as region's name, and you see that over here. Perfect. We want to do the same thing for the second one. What's our second one? The location in this case is states. So I have states coordinates inside something called states area. Let's go into colors. So state name. Next, I'm going to go into options over here. Visible drill down again. I'm going to turn this one off. And this is my second one. In this particular layer, I want you to show the states layer. Good. And one last is I want the labels as well. States name as my label. Good. Last and final, same drill. Drill down. No? Okay. All right. I guess you haven't really missed my jokes, have you? Location field, city area, dimension, And in this particular layer, I want you to show the third one, that is the city names. Last but not least, let's just change the labels here as well. Good. So now we can go. Now we click on West. And now you see the states in the West. And now I click on a state. And now it shows the different cities here. So the cities could be just a point layer, so a point showing the city, but in this case, it shows the outline of the city. Pretty cool, right? So this is how you do the drill down. I got a lot of questions about it. Sign up for the newsletter so that you get information on the new visualization course coming out soon, because a lot of people kept asking me, tell us all these tricks and tips to make the front end look cool and build really cool dashboards. So if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment or hit me up, send me an email, and please sign up. It would be really cool. So I'll let you know when the visualization course is up. All right, perfect. See you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.